Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Deezer on Android. Deezer is a French online music streaming service, and it allows users to listen to music content from required labels including Universal Music Group, Sony Music, and Warner Music Group, as well as podcasts on various devices online or offline. If you'd like to download Deezer application on your Android device, watch the video till the end. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Deezer application on your Android device, you can simply visit your Play Store. Once you head over to your Play Store, from the For You page of the Play Store, go to the search button at the top of the screen and type in Deezer in the search box. Make your search and you'll find the application in the search results. This one's the app that we are looking for to download. Tap on the install button to begin the downloading process for the application. The download may take a while, depending upon your internet speed. After you're done with the download, simply tap the app open, and there you go. That is how you can quickly download Deezer application on your Android device. You can now sign up if you don't have an account yet by tapping on the sign up button, or if you already have an account, simply tap on the login option and log into your account in no time. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.